Good morning neighbor no tweta na bere kwatera na batu ingo wekirite wira ne Franklin Karuti tuketha tuno kiri mubango ya kuokea na turenda kwaria mantu kadhaa ya yigi witi na bere ya ndene ya county ya Meru na kinya ndene ya Mongo yo Kenya Wambobo ng'ombe ibutabareketie mwankene ya Embe Tiania na Isiolo na mwankatha hii ni yakote wero bukoneka kiri kuriria Wambobo bukwithira buita na mbere. Number 2 Senator wa Meru Kathuri Murungi nethirite yake advocate kwa Meru etete boya na uwa arereta mbesa ichi ya Meru ite kuruta ngura kubatere ibyo byongo batere kubwitho kenda Meru ethire ita na mbere kaiteneka MCs ba Meru baikite muswanda yo kwingata gavana Kawira etine na thai mathaya tukwari koti omba kuthira kirite ture ayo kithira assembly tena mbere kwaridia mantu ya kwinga Kawira kana yethira kirungi koso ture tukatha tu update ture wa kiri mubango yo ukia kuthira ture dikethira kirito tuita na mbere na mubango yo arena abatukulukira 40188 yona mbe tu SMS ture live kiri Facebook ture live kiri YouTube na kiri TV ku ira wendete ya wero. Karibu sana bwana Frank.
Thank you bwana Edward.
Yes, it has been a while.
Yes, na ibwega no tobwa upakanya oringi tukena rueji tumba kwaraniria na Ameru betu na tumba kwelimishana. No every day that we come here to ya kwira na mine yara ya inturene na ukurania na kwelimisha antu betu na bila antu betu ba Meru bakwenda kaitene ka bana Edward utebinge barenda civic education. Antu betu bawitia kuritanwa bonyelwa mawea ya kwithwa twina thirikari mbea na mauya kwithwa twina band leadership.
Now inko na twambiriria ntere cia Embe Wambobo ng'ombe. Last week kwari na NPR ba kulukirwe na moroto yo ni kuongelo karia na kurire Wambobo andithia. But antu bakulukirite kaita ko mumno antu totoro antu kuyo ndeithia hii na bando tutikona urathirikari utethia antu ba ikura na Professor Kidiki ari waziri wa ukaria au maumo wacho ukuringi still to be vetted na IG au mwete Meru, but now Wambobo no ngabo escalates imbi bikabu itoka rutekenda kuthirani na mantu ya wenyange bo
mbere bana Edward inkwenda ku appreciate effort ira yekiri ni muyumbi wetu wa Igembe North bwana Julius Taitumu. To be very sincere, truth be told, eitarira mheshimiwa Taitumu kumiretene kwari na wamba bwa pikipiki antu baitawa njara betithite pikipiki muthenya uni ndara witness kinya barabara ekwana kwetu ndrona muntu yoro pikipiki muthenya thaa kenda. But as we are talking today, wamba borobo pikipiki ukulukira the leadership ira yona ni tu ni mheshimiwa TJ wamba bora na insecurity ira yareo uko ni manto pikipiki nini boya le bwana Edward wamba ng'ombe ndene ya Igembe North, Igembe Central, Tigania East and some part of Bori tikabwanjiria 2022 ka 2023 windre mwana remu nyang'ombe ichereta wa kiani ne kia primary ira ndathoma ira that is Moromoto Primary School chitithitu na uwetu no ntobo wamba ng'ombe itarira tutare na NPR baba ingi itarira tutare na kambe ya bulu tutare na GSU camp yenge irokerwe ni former MP nara rutererwa Kachuru na tutari na security personnel ya baratu ina bona aru ndene ya Igembe North. As we are talking, Igembe North kiri NPR barabangira ndwetete tariki 5 last year in December twari nanto 84 michinga yomo 84 uni effort ya mheshimiwa TJ kiri babarangira ndwetete on Friday kiri anto 140 ke sub county ithandatu Bori East, West, Tigania West, Igembe Central, Tigania East and Igembe North turari nanto 40. So Igembe alone North to nanto 124 barabangira ndwitete kutethera security ndena ya Igembe North boyele to na Ifaru bithatu bionthe bikuruta ngui along that area. Na it is very unfortunate that itokwithukirwa na te wish ya any police kana muyumbi kana muntu uri kura enda kuona antu bawe bakithangika na antu bawe bakithina. The area MP is doing his best na arawira atuthithire kambe njarune au akathithie ngi kongo atune akiura aishirikiana na other stakeholders kenda NPR bara betu bangira ndwitire pamo bomba kwithirwa be na antu akuria such that thine ke agukira bakethirwa bakiumba me counter mbere yete escalate na ngombe chetu chita. Again bwana Edward no mkato appreciate effort ya Professor Kindiki lakini mwana wetu ro level yete na tu ING no to appreciate because the 84 the number of the 40 NPR bara bangira ndwitite thai na kinya bara bange bangira ndwitite njare wereo tutumbo mutanchune I don't know whether it is Kalingam kan Halingam who are police commander wa Meru County yire ntugwira twe ngira pass out ya those NPR na acknowledge that itobatere ku appreciate our son who has exited, that is kome nonto njara yawe erikire antu 184 bara tronete thai. So bwana and what I'm trying to say kankuatire MP wetu wa Igembe North, MP wa Tigania East, MP wa Igembe Central bwana ndani kile na nyamo yumbe wa bore no ntibo bara betha roba ki watonu watibo time and time ibachiumite mono and they are doing a recommendable job. Mheshimiwa Mpuro wa Bori naira appreciated ni county commissioner no ntoba kuthithe the first security road kuma Karama kwa ngera uturirara ndiyu mwanko tura Isiolo barabara yokata across kuma Karama arogo me Karama nere mwanka ya tura Isiolo. I end Mheshimiwa Tinjai because barabara imwesia insecurity bwana Edward the one MCAs.
Yeah.
Sometimes back in 2013, Mheshimiwa wariku bwana Kastare na adhidhi security road. Mheshimiwa Trump weko ya adhidhi security road. That is in Igembe North. Nonto security road yumeta nadhu ni ukata across anto amboi ikawata ni via barabara ya yeto na ira yotura kachuru ira kuthithwa currently. So we are saying security roads ire kubuo toro injaru ite kuthithika bwana Edward because MCAs are tied but during the mbari antwara borwero inde iburu MCA wa natho akiwa antwara oro iba mwelewe thaina kwenda concentrate effort yawe yonde utura barabara cia security to well and good. Secondly kire wamba borabo kareka bwana Edward Igembe North along that imberoti yonde indira munyare ngavana na ikwari na antu bara beta wa rangers bakaragia that conservancy ra inara na ibare around that na bae ingari yire na team linda wayo eta wanjweri wakuma amwathi no garana ngari na team wira anytime kwethera kwino wati I am telling you the truth but respond very fast no tobe na ngari na bena bunduki kiraitwa ya bati akuo but the current governor ikuya aboyere abarita nao bachuno mesinka bunduki chachokua onangare na bunduki onantu arabareta kuno town ibo baona aba street ne che mutindo bangi be na utimau barithete mburi na ng'ombe bangi be nau
tibarithete mburi na ng'ombe
of course
na
so na utimau so untubora buthuki pio ni kwithirwa awangava na wa na kuthetera kana Kameru.
Yes.
Lakini to be very frank with all humility bwana Edward antu bo bonde bakwete na boro ine shifter buru mabwangai mandam governor ata Roma a condemn even a single day kana wa pole ya kile family ngera ya ya Jakubu ethe akwete 3 weeks ago tathithia mathiko mutana ati wa the head of the family kwa mzee Amani na arathirwa tukithira ye chiume biere mbadri tube ya porwa mutana oke ndabo tragedy tathithia mathiko yele the same ground thirwa antu mpundu baroyura kou senator atomana MPs baratomana other leaders baratomana ngavana Kinya Paul Muromo au antu bakwa Igembe North ndi na babo during this hard time na tukahakikisha tukuona amekapo solution ya ukarinto bietu atari ta mwambo ya yu bibyo nkankirite Madam Governor Omeru.
Now Senator Kathuri Murungi numu watongere Bomeru.
Yes.
Na numu wa top leadership ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Na to be specific in number 5 kiri ranking. Senator Omeru bene atatethetie kuona at least ukaria ibu chokanira nonto tutemeyo muti outside rwari rutukwari.
Bwana Edward. Ukaya kuthwa kwiringi twethwa twina very sober senator. Ukuelewa thina chia Mumeru uraire it is now. I want to say this with proof. Ng'ombe chietu ire weta Senator Kathuri Murungi a requested for a statement. Akiuragia atiri ng'ombe kaire ngari kana kaire pikipiki such that ng'ombe no yirwa ya ite rau ne kaura ne kalima buru. Auria kiure ke Professor Kindiki about compensation ya antu betu baraba yiri na tukethe usecure the grazing zone ira yetu na tukethe kuhakikisha antu baraba tete maisha yo through mandatory bakuona compensation. That is one. Secondly, utiri untu bomo bwathithika bokonie antu bembe antu Igembe Central antu batigania mantu yakonia mandatory kana kuia kwa ng'ombe Senator Kathuri aria kwithira usikite eana kweyana. Lastly, nindirare kire family ira chionde cia ita affected antumite itare akaliunga onete thina you saw him there together with the Professor Kindiki barareta Paul Chio areana professor na bareana ndekewe na barakikisha tukwa kaliunga Central of Wimbea kinya kitha up to date justice ya kaliunga etonekana na bakaliunga they are still stammering bamwe bata murungu no munene through assembly na uchore bora kaliunga ari nabo na some of the former MCAs na the leadership like Ayubu Bundi ibethire to buy so close to that family na kuhakikisha na baraba kaliunga bate kuona thina. But I want to say this, Bwana Edward, okay akwithwa kwiringi twethirwa twina muntu kumenya nara chiure bibatere kuurua mea kuringa ituma na Meru gutitethia batiriro weta ki senate senatori kiuria na professor ya choki Kindiki ya birara choketi lastly na kinya ichokare ndi bando statement ira no senator akaendelea kupush kenda kwithirwa kwina answer ya compensation na antu barabe to boro ina tabaka compensated na ng'ombe chiyo no ntoteka iweta South Sudan teka iweta Tanzania iriyo siaita ina wana Ibaring County Samburu mukela wa chieta Samburu re na takubatere kuthithwa operation ne batere kuthithwa antu beto bachokerwa ng'ombe chio na intobio na antu beto boro i bakathithira compensation. I know he is coming up with a bill era ya atuma wamba ng'ombe bonia ere thirikari bore kachiaita na buburetha iri antu beto bo na bo so senator is doing quite well na kinyare ya ng'ombe chietu rirare onde kwina kuithukirwa Bwana Edward imbithira ndi in contact close contact na chiefs beto na kinya ACC na DCC such that rira kuraithukirwa imbobo mwalat nkamwira atiri try your best kuona na atia ombo tethia in your position as a senator and I have seen him responding very well. Yeah.
Okay. Now, tumekire mantu ya insecurity. Tumekire mantu ya budget ya Meru. As we speak, Bwana Karuti, Meru itena budget. Senator Kiaria, rira MCA bawiba kwenda itemized budget kana program based budget na support level, that is the way to go. Lakini as we speak thai Meru itena budget. Ori MCA barekura executive nera remete na mantu estimate chionde chia budget na mwaka thaa tariki 29 turi mweri mwanja Meru itina budget na kuna MCA bathamite kuma kirutero 56 beta saindie mama bari dialogue bakwenda dialogue ire arua Meru itina budget. Do we really mean well for this county?
Thank you very much. And baraba uchita team dialogue bwana Edward ndenda Mumeru amenya akinyanga vana Kawira amenya. First of all, bwana Edward, for the first time in history, I want to recommend Kiambi Ngaruni wa Kiago.
Yes.
Wa Kiago. Kiambi Ngaruni etere kwa Kawira kuteguriwa kana kunyua. The first MCA ura waromere na Kawira Kiambi Ngaruni utebia ai no utebia arumetwe karomere noe mwanka narwe Kiambi Ngaruni na romi na Kawira firstborn. I want to recommend him. Ndimure is among few sober leaders no ntondra wo kankwa babange itumbokrat barabange ba ote baubange bonde bayete except Kiambi Ngaruni na anto bambecha mtonge omba kwethwa aitirenjerera buru na uchiendera kwawe na mathwani yawe ni former majority leader bwana Evans Mawira. The rest ni anto bakurona mbecha. You cannot come to purport kire Meru otorete kuura ngavana miaka ile chonko 2 years ukiwa ngavana ate kureta roi rwenu ngavana industrial park ne kuamire na botu kwete weta na mbere inkumiona ngweta kuo the area MCA beta ni na majority beta kianine kuona ni othe industrial park ite kurtangui barabara chekuo hivi na hivi ifanyi sibitare itena ndawa angatetu toya na ambassador within a span of 2 hours weto koloma kwa ngavana na kuringo tubecha muntu age yake aminya ke onro thai akeritaira bange mbecha watongi batekwibunya but they are not even shameful of themselves and boromi ndina mbecha inora umirachio. Those are some of the people that are failing us. Okay, akwetho for the last 2 years utwira utema endeleo ya kwaku utemba sare ya na wewe MCA mbecha ira buthani to the 15 billion se want fund uta participate kire kwa ya na mirandi watwira utura uniform wira wa andikithitie a chethi baewa te wogwa ya na irete ikaewa ba mama na akuru baito tachi achirui all of a sudden kuro tukubo mwe wogera watura turenda dialogue to team dialogue then intubwenge to abona tukiwa solidarity na mama na riu bibio to mawa solidarity tegirachi ho bwetherwa tero erenjwa te barabara ebwa ibiro ore no nyira. I want to tell the resident ba area ira MCA ba umete don't give them peace wabadhere iba boromia kanyamo. They are not talking because kabendete Kawira ngavana pate mwendete
togo ida
no kambere mandam ngavana kau.
Okay.
The MCAs barabara yereke owe they were 10 batura 5 batiara 6 bare 12 batura 6 batiara 6 the 6 MCAs pate kwendete mandam ngavana bibendete biwe nabyo ketha iba kwendete bakethora ngarunia therie lakini nonto no barumire kantu ibu onto boko defend reko barumi one bate ko defend
Dironere one of the nominated MCA kiri group moithere voko sana akiwa thirikari nio they will loot and there is nothing anto bameru bakethia.
Let them loot iba loot. The time is coming. Yes isieleo DPP na babange baiko na DCI na ambibia kuthithia investigation utebi kuendelea Meru. I am just wondering na taomba ku promise yanto mbecha en governor remono nginya anto nya wini ngo wi yakarute nya woni nkaibwa ndre so sorry nonto MCA ba iboto tuire kuthetera this MCA okuri kyori kya budget nte kurea ibanjiriri the process in budget ore batere kwanjiro mweri yuele be ya nyo mwanka yeta nara kwa tuketira chokwa ringi county assembly and the problem teka wiraki ninya chama ni uo budget o weto mwirigi bonde mwirigi umete kibiritia is one of the failure.
So Mheshimiwa Karuti,
yes,
chair budget
the truth be told,
yes,
the truth be told, oyo atwere no kuma kibiritia,
yeah,
atwere kwaria kiwa ngavana ifailure, ngavana imbitie kilethia, ngavana aya namba sare wengwa, ngavana launch mirandi yongwa, otukubwetero chairman ya ngavana re, mirandi ba launch re kwa weke biriche kenda ba chairman. What changed? Imbibia changed. I wish such people can come in this panel twakarande nabo tugorane chiuria kamuri orenda ngavana no ntobora thithite kwagu kana orenda ngavana no ntobobia kwere.
So gombeka chio budget no let the assembly and then kinya usabotage
most probably because nikigeugeu anjielewi ana mbele wala ana nyuma imuntu kwa compromised easily ndenda ntobe na stand ye mheshimiwa mwenda ithile ukisema hii ni mbaya na te wakawera no moyo theri tuira na itomi otuira no nto wakawera no moyo oni ntethwera kawira. I don't hate her completely. She's a mother na bishop na baba pastor na Biblia you are touch not the anointed one of God. That's what Bible says. But now indira kueya kemithithirie mantu and ideologies bwana Edward ideologies ideas muritire yo ngweyo ya winkera kawira re tutewetaniria au ndaroba kura bwana Edward na ndere tanto banatho pontara kethro ndena you see I was ndare mwanariadha tamatokete East Africa yonde nime East Africa yonde oteonta matoka my friend na ntashindwa uyo kona na nenda banka ndina talent academy ya kunacha talent because I know area rambu mete kwechipukizi baiche kumatoka na kinya na arweto kwaria ndina muthako rembu atora training amatoka 100 meters. I used to run Ndre high school. I used to represent Kenya Methodist University Ndre high school ndamatoka ira Kenya Methodist University Makerere University Ngumba University. I have moved around East Africa nkematoka uindra matoka bwana Edward nkathiorunka namba 2 ekwa twaitania no ntena stress na ndrindere tanto banatho nkathithia academy ya kunacha talent kankithithia nandre ngutaro ndre MCA na ngava nora ndre noe ate kwenda kufacilitate Karuti ni binkithithia byo inderete wa mama nkanjeria women sako nkabotethia twanjeria ikundi bya witethia na ate ankithithia bo ndere tanto bako banatho nketharo ndre na education day every year na nka appreciate ona na ndarita manifesto ekwa nkoya ngochema ni angavana au mpinya kabari ate kwenda exercise power tia kwa ira mpei mwananchi na ate ankithithia ndre Franklin Mweti wa Karuti na ibyo bituma ankera murungu itu Jesu iboya ntonere teke itenerere manda mkawira mwangaza no nto ute manifesto ekwa kinyemwa etatia hehe kuluka. So this is why I say manda mkavana ate thoki omba kwethwa advisors ba oi babai no nto advisors ba kawira bonde bena bo bamwe baita bamwe bona campaign ya Nigeria bajoga na ba umete baba inge baeta na ba umete. That is what I know. The only problem katendete kuthikiria na kinya oni Mweti wa Karuti Franklin ndira muringira retere moriteyele kinya ngavana kawira mwangaza
nako ya thimu eku
ate oya kaita kinya nkendro mutethia kinya nkendro mu appreciate mete gathugia na kwena kwina momba kwithwa na bwithitie ndari ngathu ntukwe ya ku pass out kwa NPR ndri ngathu mbitete narandro moru ndau ankulugire mbone binga bana wite na thithitie ndeta ngathu ndri wita ngathu ndethera very nice ndam a very nice one ndau aende kinya kitha indre muritaya na kwena anko mwegira tiki kande muringire ndi mwero kiti indra muthithitie for the first time nkono thithite kantu kakeya ndaringira ngaba na ita ndamuringira ita ringi ndamwira anguka nayo dia na unaimbie kwakwa utebye ngukuromba kango kwa appreciate nkwira no thithitie ndamwe ngatho ngukumakira for the first time lakini uthithiti wo miriere wa miriera empower the young people
ibu wethitu ngatho
ukatha indamu athithitie na atia u
kaira
tegeana araka korongwerwe yeka o inya eka winya na ndamu yena roi the best thing bila biomba kuthithika no ndo okuthithia ndam na umitia au utebie kuthithia ti antu bembe bakulimanyo ti ng'ombe ikunywa puo there is nothing roya uroi but rokutte ku benefit mwana omeru na ate abatere kuthithia to generator twakwa yana nara nturene aita na tuo abatere kweta aka empower ekuru na ndakache nara aba uri generator ithatu inya abera anjerie ni urimi aba pipes abera nande ndathitha ya ndamu yekenda twanjerie urimi na te ndamu irio twanjerie kurima nyanya twanjerie kurima watermelon twanjerie kurima itunguru. That is what I wanted to tell her. Lakini no ntona garotea mona na perspective yo mura atenda ko ya thimu we yake manto yange yarambende kia thithie nonto tentu ko chionda twendete ndo bwana Edward ko irasi byoka bya isindi muntu mwandi ngerambe imbi umenerete kawera u tamurindo ntemo menete na mwantalera irasi bitandatu kuma tiganya east mwango etegembe north sub county kendra ire njira sub county ontalera irasi bitandatu ntorero oyombo ngavana ni mama ntalera ndro ithano ibwethe ikanyua kumara tiganya west weta mwanke egembe north ndro ithano ikonyua cha madam governor bwe ngavana ni mama ntalera kamarket kamwe nde te gembe na tetiania mero yonde ya nora yana antalere market kamwe ake ambere kinoro kana ambere katheri kana ambere mekindori ka market madam governor ekirete kaburo wewengwa anjiranirie nako ekira kaburo ekira ruwe athithe kioro imwe market imwe ndene Meru County ya nora yana for the last 2 years tore royo mbwe ngavana ni mama for the last 2 years nanda ni scholarship nonto ingavana wa Meru twaneana yanake miaka ile scholarship from form 1 to form 4
awara na 20 million ya sponsor
nani ndani mudhania na 180 pasi nitakadhuri murungi atena kiti ya thirikari atena kiti mbecha cia kuthomithiana lakini enana 180 kuma form 1 mwanka form 4 kirato socks turam mattress everything shopping tuition money everything for 4 years pasi nitakadhuri nuende mwere ndani twaneana aje wina 14 billion torankiwa ngavana ni mama ndente thoera mama ne ndiolo nje chiawe na muthithire yongwe yo awe yotumambu atiri you cannot compare mama with Kiraito, you cannot compare mama with Munya, you cannot compare her with Cecil Mbarire, you cannot compare her with Wavinya Ndeti urandete kasi ya muchinda and you cannot compare with Achan or Mandamuwanga wa Omabe. You cannot. Neoro nandi. You cannot.
Betegeria thome tumiri nkai bwana Karutea u inkwenda mbira na ukuwa manto ya anawanite inkwenda mbira au different kan kathuri murongo meka gavana ni Meru. Kwena Silas ariwa huyu ni governor tu, where is the IG, where is the minister of internal security, utaimba governor for 10 years. Renjina kawidia kawa hatukuchagua mama ndio awe akienda kwa mazishi, tulimchagua atufanyie kazi. Kwena Aaron Abwana Everyone, good morning, Mutembei. Nkethiria Nchambeu, Mheshimiwa Franklin Mission Karote Jr. He is very articulate, bold and candid, putting it as it is. Security situation in Gembe North, grazing lands, needs honest discussion. It is crippling our very robust pastoralist economy. James Mudiga Kawa, dialogue is organized by President Njuri Ncheke until the last report. Na kwena mtu wetu wa Charles Kabesh. Lebuga Kawa, we need such a leader with a super mind tell him to vie for a big seat urorombe tekine nkulukia kiu bwana Karuti na kwina mtu wetu wa James Kimathi ariko good morning wa kurugenzi
bwana Edward on the same note there is a lendro kuwa governor tata rero
eta mathikone yeah
pole sana me atekwelewa imbia kuwa those are some of the people baraba ita kwa advice madam governor na ko robia kuwa timenye imbibi byongwa uwa
yeah
indira na beto batanda tuborwerwe Somalia brothers and relatives ba Maranya if we enda soba governor if it was not for intervention ya mpuru wa Buri araringira kindrike turae wandreke ya kuoya na bau barito Somalia bareto Isiolo. I am telling you the truth utethi na tutekiona nandire kuibo such a person yakiwa ngavana atatari eta mathikwene imbona bangi baita lakini ukaurite secondly dialogue ya era initiated ni president Burunjo Ncheke. I wish you can call Mukoro Yambae secretary, you can call mzee ya Murangiri you can call mzee ya Kadera okolomi obori na dialogue ikinyite no nton ribo biba iwetie in dialogue yanjirire tu injury na the president. You see bana Edward in a dialogue ara wingo koserete na tokea to akolomo bana Edward na ukero na ande bwana Edward we no chunete Karute ngare ukawa ye no mo chunete ke ye no mo direte bona bo ye na ande as we continue with in dialogue anjerio mo chogere biro mo chunere kenda tuendelea kuthithia reconciliation. Madam Governor met with the deputy governor. She met with the MCAs. Na rero yaro kumba kuthithia na aru anjerio ya thithia. Kenda dialogue ya meaningful. Na aru eto kwaria. Ibure kwa thithia pomwe. Boerero thithia na anjeria kuthithia. One pomwe. She is the symbol of unity in Meru. Akureta unity among the MCAs. Kana ka condivined. Akureta unity ewe in between her and the deputy governor. Madam is a bishop and the deputy governor is a reverend. And the Bible says what in the book of 1 Corinthians 13 and verse 1 going downwards. Kinyankedro ambaragia na ndiomi na meambo ya araika ende nkedro antena wendro ndi wothari. That was bishop preaches every day. Na Biblia ri watu endane nandika kurema ku exercise the commandment era yeri ni mwathani. It is the greatest among the 10 commandments. Love is the greatest commandment above all. Ka kurema ku exercise kau onia deputy governor wawe wendo ma come back, let us work together for the benefit of our people. Let's forgive one another as the Bible says. Okay, no endrete mwathani. You must show that no tromba toka wate turegere mechi yeto yara turegera baba toyagia nandi nate omba kwera murungu akuregere no te kuregera bawe na bondea hapa duniani. And you are a bishop. This is the high time that bishops should exercise the powers of bishop. Kweta ngondu akairinganira amu. So dialogue uteyo ya inye kwete kana yaka ita tiwa ne kwete. I'm sorry to use that term lakini yangu atire kwe terms nandrera weta the pioneers.
I'll call them
the pioneers mwete ukareve noya omuri no rakinyithia dialogue emeru irerwa nyo yete ri antu bawatanira kwe wenda ibirwe watete dialogue no aru dialogue ira ya kurwa njuri nyo tukwenda kuona ibarete report tomithome they are sober men na te akurwa njuri yake bareo twari na bishops and reverends Jackie na reo Bishop Imoro, Bishop Mwenda, a number of bishops, Bishop Samson Mudhuri, Father Mugambi. Let them put it in public domain. Amero bone in Andrea Log Irakinya. And by the way, Nate, I want to challenge the pioneers and the leaders banda ya logiu na te bagiri bato twira ina dialogue ira kinya I was given by I was kathera nde muri na te bwajiririe dialogue kayare ya mwaka kani emeri ile kani ithatu. It is good we know who is the failure in this dialogue nore ko orete wete kaniria na mendekithia ya dialogue yeye kenda tumenya doesn't want peace.
Okay.
Inya wimbendete peace enda nya to wata ne duaga wira. Yes.
Now, Karuti, the senator.
Yes.
Ni mundu ucio ku.
Ask.
Inkuona indicators nyingi kionania na kwendete ki mwaka wa 2027. Inkuona nyama karena aringetheite kura gire penji we.
Na ona.
No, etera ndire nani ego. Kuona magnyama karena aringetheite kura akiwa between Munya na Kathuri who do you choose? Dona Kathuri is leading kire nira. So inkuona ndo mbira atiri bwana Karuti. Itwethirite twina Kiraitu Murungi. Itwethirite twina Peter Munya the first governor. Now Kawira Mwangaza. How can Kathuri Murungi be a different leader? Na baba
ngwe mburi na ndia performance Kiraitu kya senate.
Yes, jibon kuona menya.
Yes.
No, tunkuona indicators chonde ni kuona na kwenda eteke. So before eteke, imbi mu indicate no whether are different governor from the rest.
One, Kathuri is a performer.
How?
2, he is available. 3, very humble. 4, God fearing. Can be end.
Okay, performer.
Kathuri served immense South for 2 terms. Kiraitu aromia una antu bawe, which was very okay. 2013 and 2017. If he was not a performer, atekethirwa achokete kwawe maita yele. That is 1. 2, Kathuri ya tarwa county Meru. I senator. Kathuri no wari number 2 Ruto Nagura. Ruto anakura maana yana Kathuri are akura 354 Ruto amuchinde atukura to kai muno ko Kathuri no abunya kingpin yo Meru in terms of muntu anakoringira kura imbinge ndene ya Meru. Secondly, he is the most senior person politically in Mount Kenya East as we are talking.
Not Kindiki?
Ega CS Rotera na.
Okay.
I am talking of politician. Kathuri is the most senior person, senior political leader in Mount Kenya East. He is the deputy speaker, Senate, and he is the most loved Nakura in Mount Kenya East. True or false? It's true. Kuringa na ira aringerwe na namberari. Why is he a performer? Among all the Mount Kenya East, are kwolelwa onenkanire no enkaumba kwa deputy speaker. Na raiwe take deputy speaker. Has he performed? Are tena keu? Motion chiawe, chiurie biawe, Quran the Senate. Neona netie surely is a sober leader. Okoni manto ya mbere kiure kira wo inka thingithirie as Frank kiure kia mira wiele anto beto bakira bakarira mira ke train etirara na bakira ba transport mira na train etirara uwa mira etengero anto awe ayo muntu endreken ai ke train aibwa kuria mira kare woro kuria irio noro kuria mabakando ke train no bokinya muntu kuria kala ba tero kare without any question because it is a cash crop creanto beto ba igembe oria kiuria and to mark his once unto bobo adidika na rua train no one who can stop you ukamata mira wetete Mombasa. Secondly, oria kiuria kingi kikoni mira na the statement na motion yawe yuthiretie ngui akenda mira eritwa kwa nakanda akiwa mira is not and drug as per se oranto bawa personally and some bishops and some learned fella kuume Igembe, akina Dr. Diakonu, akina Lucas, akina Bishop Sami, akina Kungutia, bonde tureta Nairobi, Machakos, not Nairobi, Machakos County, kundefend kimera kioria to no ni Senator Kadhuri Murungi kiwiki ingi kioria kibithato kamera arore no to mera embe etondo ke goroma na thatu keta Mogandisho kire ora 2500 no to mwandio mera mwana wako engwa chukuru na morio mera mwana oke atenga na thoma the best school in Kenya no to mtu akura ngoroba ai morio mera lakini mwandio kila ate woka ngoroba awana kwenda the ministry ya trained ye lesa mumeru no to mura mawa ngonie kurongiri 25 lakini yeta Mogandisho ekorongiri 140 why the committee ni na mete mawa na lare na athiru kuria kiu na kenda kiuria kiu kimiocho kwa ministry of trade kiuria kia ng'ombe oria kiuria kia sniper oria is doing so much. That's why I'm saying we have a sober senator, a performer in this way also. Among all the senators, baraba no taro meru. Owe ogoru obisi ekiraito babare ko uibare ko. Ogoru ofisi elento ore ai senator. Iba obare ko welesa utelesa. Na nyao intelesa. Elento kiraito imbise mudhomi. Elento ore imbise bari haraka. Senator Kadhuri Murungi, I know mwaro wetu kadhambi kuma Igembe North, mtu wetu Franklin Karute kuma Igembe North, Makena Mutaalamu Igembe Central, Karimi Igembe Central, Kaimenyi Grace Igembe South, Mwenda Kanondo Tigania East, Munyasi Striker Tigania Central, Kaume Mechera Tigania West, Mere Mukiri Tigania West, Karute Festas Tigania West, Kiongozi Moria Imenti North, Alex Imenti North, Kaimenyi Haurelio Imenti Central, PA Morris Bore, Morris Kadhorima Imenti South, Office Accountant Mandram Enendri Mukami, Office Secretary Mandram Mere Mukiri, Constituency County Manager Mwambi Ezekiel, Deputy County Manager Mr. Reverend Murioki.
Ina kulitambeta chekwa babo no ina kulitamba budget
yeah ndakuria atire baubange
no utewe lakini ndauri atire ina waya kulita budget
waua otiua why am I saying is a performer? Kadhuri hakikishe ati every constituency he has a representative, not one kwena okinya kwa ibele ka bathatu na ate ombete ko maintain the staff. Okay, awetania na mauku ya Kenya yonde bwana Edward mbera arawaiwa Kadhuri ena scandal emo Kadhuri awati na scandal ya wamba Kadhuri atichibiu. From where I sit, I can confirm. That's why mbechiri kwa si office administration sia Senate. By the way, tautale aba Nairobi the staff
ibari yere au
yes. Mbechiri ikweya akomba kwayania across Meru yonde eto bichino mbere mwana mwaro inori kure kuo kana mutono ina kana manoke nobody adide to recommendable that every constituency has a representative. Maybe na mbechiri akure anachio no ire ibatere kurun that office. The man ire ibatere kure mtu mongiri mana tano kama mtu mwari wa 250 akawa no, it is not right. Mero nene antu waiba ya nuwe kindrogo bonde instead ya kure mtu mwe Sorry.
Okay. Ukiwa ukunda roya o SMS ziko mingi sana hapa ntikumenyekithira ndathoma ithira kuwa SMS yako niko load kwe mtu kuwa Peter Mureti adua the fact remains that Meru County is not in good condition and what Frank is saying is true. Let Kawira be a good example to other leaders in Meru County by the way she conducts herself. Regina not Dile Igweta kawa Regina Kawiria matusi ni nini sisi Kawira Mwangaza is not yours alone ni era personal because siasa demoni personal. James Mrika kawa Karoti why is Senator not ranked among the best performer in Kenya?
Why my friend ande mwere
Alright. Mwirigi Getuta kawa Kadhuri mpaka 27 ndiye governor wa Meru na kwena mtu wetwa Mary Camp arua good work Honorable Franklin Amweti Karuti. Now kwa ndo choke kile
anko ndo choke riyo kule ndo ati rank the best.
Yes,
I want to tell him kuma arau kuma Senate he is ranked second and third ate na man the second and third for the last 2 years. Kinyere thithagua after 4 months 3 months Kadhuri has been second and third ate na man the third neta kyo Leone he is among the best debater then ya Senate
but kuna to ba kwa argue Senator na feel it in one way
where
impeachment yembere akwerekana
no
kadeki bwana Karoti impeachment yembere ngavana ikwari na witikio muno kumakiri Ameru deputy speaker atethia usanitize Meru. The second one Kinyawa ya flop.
Kadhuri Kadhuri is a follower of rule of law.
Yes.
Netika netie na the rule of law.
Okay.
And the constitution. And Kadhuri is not the 47. He has only 1 vote. Atena kura 47. Mwenda bana Edward. It is the mandate of the Senate Kenya ko substantiate kethira governor na makosa kana atena yo. It is hand Governor Kawira Mwangaza akiwa anakanyokawe. It is the President of the Republic of Kenya ora wa mutetherie nakanyokawe. It is also hand by the President of the Republic of Kenya arembu arawa na mamoyo atena capacity ende twa mutethia no katweterete ba mutethia kunguru capacity ya utongeria Meru. Now Senate atare weta Meru Nairobi ya Roma kanoya muchara yo awe ya yonge mbiba chwa mbecha cha umere ko Meru ira senators baringa kura ata batere weto ya mbecha tiawe aura senators ya berare to ngeiga wira. No, it is within the mandate ya Senate kwa mwabura ba mwire na teka thuri wa mwawengwa okay kuthonwa ngo wa mwa kithandikire baro wa mwira ana. Lakini because it is the senators of Kenya na teka thuri, we cannot engage Kadhuri with impeachment.
Fair
we
enough.
cannot engage him with impeachment.
Fair enough.
Yes sir.
Let's move from that. Now kwena reshuffle rabwithiriwa ya cabinet will call it reshuffle because intimate dismissal on toba mobara bara utewa ibachokerwe na Meru politically yaka itima puni ya Kenya.
Me I'm not happy.
Ukeleze tumbia guonto te ape ikwari na muthako mwithi o miaka 32 kuma Nara South urataro ari minister wa Rui na antibo feel politically dinjo ninge bigogo vi siasa barabomba ku represent antu ibo bayukirwa lakini Meru muntu ayuko atikumenyeka na barua yes kabaki yugwa lakini kugetha kuona mtu ongeo commenta this guy. So Kameru it politically Meru keti outside na yare moya the top 5 counties ila charingire thirikari kwanza kura
one. I am a supporter of our MPs bonde KMP ba Meru mtu ntako loma no one on one ishandira Kimweti Keminya. That's the only MP take the nyanjaran, but the rest of the MPs Dendikiri Ndaundi Motunga Imochoro kwa Mporo John Paul bonde Kiremangoshine and Modoni and Kailemia they are my great friend. But I want to say this without fear. Nante kuinje medo kiberau. I am a supporter of Julius Taitum Anaiba as we are talking, as my area MP. Lakini up to where I sit now, nkera cha uma MPs beto ba Meru. Iba batero kulia president medo. Pate batero kulinga ampe ntuko chionde. Wadhanu lollipop, no dhanu muata is not the same. It is not the same. I am not very happy. Utebo tombo chuno ministry agriculture to dhanu ministry roe. Winte koreana na my brother Muraid. I am saying ongera my brother. Batire no to bata mudana je ministry agriculture. Why? Do you know how many parastatals are in agriculture? Ake kinyiran kueta ake Kenya Meat Commission, Kefis, Carlo, Parastato inene AFC Bank, yani intobi inene. Baado to achuna ministry. And furthermore, Meru etori minister belle, totori kwenda to na minister belle Meru totori kwenda to na munya nare assistant minister, kile mimoria nare, kiraito na Muiraria or were in government. Akina Muteirengo, Akina Francis Mudhaura, ba to yuridhirikare no. This time round, ba to kuraya dhirikare. Kuraya koko ekithake neke na ibatu to aringete kura ngirimana yana. 400,000. You saw how Mudhaura used to be vibrant. You see how Itere used to be vibrant. You see how Muteirengo used to be vibrant. Kilemi Moiria the same. Peter Munya the same. Kiraito the same na stima nambi. Tundre. By go up PS Kilemi. And this other man, yo, wangano forestry atawa. I don't even know him. I know of Kilemi. PS. What's not happening? Turinge kura ngirima na yana. Na ntubeto endele kuringira ampe skeleton ministry. MPs beto ba Meru, if they can dare speak the truth. Kinyaba ba they went to president. But because of the government and the money that we have, people mbakwana. Mboa usiere mwaka yo. Mboa iyere ake Meru yonde every MP mboa iyere na atabueta mwadano ministry TV na bia napokendra. Do you think President Ruto kaise Murray?
Drone John
Yes. No. To President William Samoei Ruto knows Murray.
So renda kuaga
I can confidently say that Murray ka proposal
no.
Batu tueta mandate yo tueta wa MP's mandate ya to represent.
So MP.
I am saying this without fear. Muredi atakumirendewe kuno. Ruto cannot appoint someone in Meru. PS Kilemi ata appointed from nowhere. No. The hand of Lentore or the hand of Mutunga must be there.
So are you saying the hand of John Poe is there?
Hi. Then John Poe ake MP ba Meru. You don't quite agree as the leader of the MPs in Meru. What are you doing as the chair? Meru kaya kuma Meru yera 9. Cleopas Malala Roma akadhomera Meru wakwenda. I have not seen the leadership of Meru. Ekiroma condemn such ones kumake Cleopas Malala. Meru County is micromanaged. Tuekaraya akatu associate county to some people. No. We need our leaders to come out clearly and defend our resources in Meru. Better see to Iruma yet Nairobi. Chionde. No one is bothering to talk. Ngwe MP beto bonde koringa ampe na goya gochogere president kadwa. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. They must stand their ground na bamenya atire o batarire Meru eye. It is not William Samoei Ruto. It is the people of Meru who gave the mandate. Yo totongeria. We must show leadership. We must see it. Rendikiri batonye leadership. He is serving in the second term. Kiremangoshine the second term, Mutunga the second term, Mporo Abori the second term, John Paul the second term, Moeti, Taitumu, and Ndani Kele. We can spare them. Kama kwa nyu ikilo mbungene. Ababa tumegeta miaka ikomire. What are you fearing? Can Ruto fire MP? No fire gorotebwe MP wa Tigania West. Daktari Mutunga, the most learned MP in Meru. Daktari. My friend.
It remains to be seen.
No.
Interesting times in politics.
I wish naita na MP kono geanine kono. Getro MP arugire. Kana getro wotuku.
With the MP within this period where are no?
To koranya valid questions. Theoria valid. Nata bo chuno ING bo chuno ING Inspector General. Bo atiwa bo.
Nata
rega mangereza wana. Nata bo chuno DCI Kinoti. Our son. Bo atiwa bo. Nata bo chuno CS Agriculture. Franklin Medeka Lentore. Bangi bonde bakaroma bakadetera Kendrike, bakadetera Antobo. No one who has spoken a word about our son, Franklin Medeka Lentore. No one. Kinyoge bobo kiatea. Antobe nu bare okudetera. Tebara antoba wa walo. Bonde ngekoro ithiata nete njira na ikiwa owalo arundishwe. Teba antoba Busia, bathiata nete bakiwa ababu na mwamba arundishwe. To Moses kuri ari wa ito afelere weka ko andimeti ba felete amutano wenu re MPs. Can't you say anything?
Ibara ora no tindo le mbunge okuno centro pakidetera Professor Kindiki.
Pakidetera Professor Kindiki. I want just to ask. Lentore buru otebwe dareti amero ba. Otebwe detie. To atuna ministry na mbecha tionde mbecha sia fertilizer ake ititalo andeye mbecha sia sukari mbecha sia coffee mbecha sia tea mbecha sia muchere itetaleka. I wish we people of Meru bamenya imbitu lusete bamenya imbitu lusete that when they can understand iba kuona imbo ya na mitheka araretete iba kumenya ithoko ya na araretete iba kumenya mbecha ya na araretete county ye. But because of Rorido, Roroero of they, it get to ministry to Rachunero, Kendro Nange. I wish to get the ministry agriculture Nekadanwa, our brother Murevi, what we know. What I am saying, and Quatere, I may read to get to Agairue, to a change and a sea line Nakachuka Tui. Let that be understood. AFC bank yake, AFC bank no rani economy Meru for the next 40 years. AFC yake, and it is a parastatal.
Bwa mwingira bora na wega mitemba na mbi Meru. So tugireke bwana Karutina twenda kwira Akenya na Meru bora tuthikirite today.
Ndenda kwira Meru. And I want to repeat this na Meru onda ndikiri. Etendo kira kare kire kwa sendikei anto weta ko ndra kuwethire sendikei nyumba bwana Endwand. It is barbaric, it is awkward, it is uncouth. I want to say this. Oredho we support okawira. Oredho no supporti kadhuri murunge. Oro ndremo supporti kanoran supporti ntwethingia mutuma. Kanoran supporti taitum. Oredho we support omunya kana kiraitu kana whoever. I want to tell you, my good friend Mumeru. Ndendro kwira atiri. Kinya kadhuri oyete kia ngavana. No nto akoya. Kinya MP wo kwa karire teke MP ro kwenda no nto akarira. Ndendro kwira atiri. Muntora ekira ke kandi ya NHF cover. Wembere imwe kuroke nana bake. Muntoro eta kwa pisho kwawe imwe kurowe nana bawe. Antobara bakenjoy privileges ira enjoy one MP kana ngavana nana bawe na family yombere example ngavana wenu Meru enaro ina theli na mutono ina in the same office ira ukaria mbere uwe atakolelia mbere yote ma mutonyukwe mbere yoringa mutonyukwe ne iya mbere we njira your brother Marina uburingano ciaza ntore na ukwenu ciuria atiri muntu uyu ndwirite muntu uyu kwenda mbita kwithia nyumba emuturi okwa nkia kuona thina ri antethi bwana Endwandi a very good example antu bara bathangikire sniper pa watwa be kwa ndene pa twirwa eyamba rendelea antu ba wetu mbere ebatura muntu ombero uyu oturire ni mutono ina Gavana Kawira Mwangaza tutonge twatiro ndene tukire ya mayo ndendro kwira atiri mbere yorwira mwana siasa mbere yote mana no ntobo mwana siasa mbere watura na mutono ntobo mwana siasa ele watiri benefitira cionthe ciona wai mwana siasa mbere cio kinyila ne antu banja yawe ba ciona mbere ko watura mutonyo kora umba kwithira wena ngari turu kinjirene akaroma autethi na spare it is very rare MP ethira uwe kwamete akinyanthi akwatia uritangari tairi no ntoba security we antu bawo thiurunga na bwau no baba utethia babu antu ba mama ugendelea watu rantu mito no baura ito ukoloa imutonyo kwe ukura Andre is coming you need him na mama huu atethira arokwe na uwe au angi nkithiratia Kawira no goga na Meru yore.
Wow.
Asante.
Thank you very much bwana Karutina. Thank you very much Kriant barabonde bogari kini mubango yo message cientu mbako do maithira. It has been amazing na ingo kurete oka kuthira itura ko together rekuma before to thiringo tikiritira uma no tweterete kumenya ura mantu etite na mbere kithira rwariru weta na mbere kwa riru assembly lo kwenka Gavana Kawira kana ruketha rwikinya muthia ni mantu tweterete update rire kithira kuma tugetha tukumenyithia mantu ya eta na mbere kurumira mibango mwanya mwanya ya Weru TV kiri mitandao yetu nteto chetu cheweru thaa mwanja 7:30 na 9:30 hithiro na kiumia kia bito mutembendwa. Thank you very much bwana Frank.
Asante.
Wow.